It's gonna pour by the looks of things. So I'm gonna real quick get into the garden. I've got my monkey hat. Let's get that on. And I've got a couple of banana peels. And I'm also going to attempt to put the zucchini in again. Alright, I'm just going to chuck the banana peels in. Here we go. Alright, hold on. Let's do the door. Welcome. The potatoes have flowers, which is stinking awesome. He's pretty. See that? That's the yellow potatoes. Here's one of the flowers on the red potato. You see it's kind of purpley, which is delightful. No flowers on the russets yet. And no flowers on the purple ones yet. That's fine. The thing is, if the potatoes are making flowers, the energy is going towards making the flowers, and thus the seed pods, the fruit of the plant, rather than sending the energy to make potatoes. I'm not looking to make new plants. I'm looking to get potatoes. So, not wanting to take the flowers away from the bees and whatnot that want the nectar, I'll wait until they're faded, and then once they're faded I'll take them off, and that seems to be a pretty good compromise. This way the bees get what they need, and the plant doesn't use its energy on making the seeds. And maybe I'll leave one. You know what? Maybe I'll leave one or two just so that we can see what the potato fruit looks like. I've seen it online. You can go look yourself. It's not edible. It's poisonous. Just letting you know straight away. Alright, we'll see if we'll do that. Right now I've got my handy dandy foamy neely thing. We're going to quick put in some zucchini seeds. We have a mole. We can see the mound here. Hopefully it's just going after the grubs under the ground, because the grubs aren't good for the garden anyway. If it goes after the plants, then we have a problem. And I won't even know until it's too late. But, yeah, I'm just gonna hope it moves on. Alright, we don't get too fancy schmancy here at the EchoGnome&Cal channel, so I just grabbed a stick, and I'm just gonna make a little row, or two. As far as I can reach. And we're going to put some seeds in, and then Mother Nature is going to help us out by raining upon it. Let's get those in. Nope, just one. And no, I'm not measuring anything. Because some of them are going to die anyway. You can see some of the bean plants coming through the lattice. Let's see, can get that one up a little bit. No, don't fall down. Very careful. There we go. I should put the bird netting over it to make sure the birds don't come after it. But I had a bad experience with bird netting, with a bird getting caught in it, and You know, maybe I can just take a bit of screen. Just lay screen over the top. Let's do that. Okay, it really feels and sounds like it's going to pour. I can already feel a little bit of rain. So I just grabbed what I have handy. Is it going to cover the whole thing? No. Sorry if that was loud. But we're going to give it a try. Let's do the middle part. At least it'll be a deterrent. That's very heavy, that one. All right, I think once they're sprouting, it'll be fine. This is an experiment. We're going to see. We're very low tech here. That's prettier. All right. Yeah, it's raining. Ah, there goes my hat. Vine's looking good. Is that a spider? I think that's a spider. Is that a spider with eggs? Yep, it is. Let's avoid stepping there for multiple reasons. My beans are looking good. Alright, I'm going to spread out those banana peels. Wow, that's a lot of purslane. How do the big ones taste? Is there a difference? Let's find out. Tastes the same to me. Something's been chewing on whatever that is. I hope I get peppers. I gotta look up peppers so I can identify the plant. I'm gonna finish this. It's not bad. It's a little weird, but I'm not used to it. I wonder how much of this stuff you can eat at once. Because just because it's edible and safe doesn't mean you can eat a whole load of it at once. That should be parsley coming up. I still have to secure a bunch of the arch stuff. By the way, this stuff that's in front of the garden, I'm reluctant to pull it up for two reasons. One, it's gonna hide the fact that there's, ooh, yummy, yummy vegetables in here from some creatures. And also, this plant that's got the, I think, very interesting flowers around the stem, because how often do you see that? Can I get it clear? I hope that's clear. I don't know right now what they're called. I'm going to have to look it up. But they're supposed to repel mosquitoes. So being that I have a whole line of them right in front of the garden, awesome. I'll take it. Why would I get rid of that? All right, I'm going in. Cheers.